Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check your screen time on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one today is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Make sure screen time is enabled or turned on. Now to check your screen time on iPhone, locate and click on see all app and website activity. Then click on show more under show categories, or click on show category to show apps and website. Then you're going to see the apps and website you spend most of your time on here. If you expand it, you should see the list of the application. Now if you want to show categories, just go ahead and select show apps and websites, click on it. Then here you have access to all the applications you spend your time using on your iPhone. If you want to show the categories, click on show categories, and then you have the categories like this. You can also check your screen time based on week or day. So you can just scroll down to familiarize yourself with the apps you use for the week. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to check your screen time on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.